We always want to start a good practice session with a solid vocal warm-up, just to make sure we're not going from 0 to 100 all in like a minute. We want to warm up first. It's almost like an athlete who's like stretching first before running a marathon, for example. We want to do the same thing here. So today I have a nice balanced little warm-up, just real quick, so that you can start your practice session and work on your voice. Hey singers, it's Lara from VoxTape Studios, an online studio where we help singers make singing feel more effortless so that they can fully express themselves, sing pretty much anything they want, and make singing feel good as well. Whenever we do a vocal warm-up, we want to make sure that we're hitting different areas of our voice. Obviously, we want to warm up our entire range, right? Like chest voice, head voice, mix, everything in the middle. But also we want to look at breath flow or breath support. We want to look at resonance and most importantly, a balanced tone. We don't want to go like too harsh from the beginning. We, want to keep it light, keep it easy on the voice. A warm-up is not here to help you make a ton of progress or exercise your voice and hopefully become better, right? No, a warm-up is just here to help you warm up what you already have, right? Not to become better. So today's warm-up is a nice, balanced, easygoing little warm-up that's great if you're new to singing or if you're just looking for something real quick, real fast that's gonna hit all the bells and whistles that you need to hit before you can start exercising your voice. This warm-up was inspired by the song Valerie by Amy Winehouse. Let's have a look at how it goes. La, la, la. So here, we're gonna start on a simple little hum. You can feel the buzz in your lips. I feel it for sure. It's like, ooh, it's a little tingling. This is just gonna help us get started on the right foot. Work on resonance within your mouth, not just like, pushing through and projecting and pushing for a lot of volume, right? We're gonna do it internally first. So, la, la, la. Just help us keep it light, right? It's not la, la, la. It's la, la, la. Nice and light on the la, la, la. The la helps us get the placement right. And so it's not just which is very often too heavy. It's la, la, la. Use that L, use your tongue. Make sure you're not chewing though. La, la, la. La, la, la. Use the tongue. We want to separate the jaw from the tongue. Oh, Valerie. Hey, hey. Come on over. So we have those little just as little bursts, little engagements down here. Obviously, we don't want to squeeze anything. We just want to engage. Hey, hey, and not hey, hey. Hear the difference, right? A nice little boop, boop. And that's already it. And we're going to go through our whole range with this exercise. And then we're going to come back down, or this warm-up rather, and then you're ready to hit the ground running with your vocal exercises. Just real quick before we dig into the exercise, if you haven't yet checked out my vocal persona quiz, I highly recommend that you do so. It's going to help you understand your strengths and your weaknesses and your tendencies as a singer. If you've been feeling frustrated with your progress, or rather the lack of progress, then please take this quiz, because it's once you understand like these tendencies that you have and you're doing the right exercises for your voice, everything changes. So the quiz is going to tell you what persona you fall under, and it's going to give you a free exercise track plus a personalized training for that specific persona. It's totally free. Just click the link in the description below. All right, now let's do the exercise together. La, la, la. Oh, Valerie. Hey, hey. Come on over. La, la, la. Oh, Valerie. Hey, hey. Come on over. Come on over. keep it nice and light here, okay? We're just warming up. You don't need to push or anything. Keep it light. Nice. Now feel the bounce here. Nice. No squeezing, just bouncing. Now keep the jaw still here. La la la. Good. Nice. Come on over. Nicely done. All right, nice. How did it go? Again, this is a warm-up, right? We don't want it to feel super exhausting or anything like that. We're just warming up. We're just getting started here. Take it easy. Take it easy. It's not here to sound good. It's not here to deliver an amazing performance. It's just here to warm up the voice. If you need any extra help at all, please don't hesitate to book a one-on-one private session with me over Zoom using the link in the description box below. I'd love to have a listen to you, see like, all right, here's what's happening. This is what you're doing currently, and here are the different things that we need to do to help you get to your goals as quickly as possible. So please book a session with me. I'd love to help you in form of a private one-on-one session. But in the meantime, thank you so much for practicing together with me. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this exercise. And check out these other exercises here that I have for you now that you are ready and warmed up. I'll see you in there.